You can make faces all you want.
Tensions were high in Manitowoc County Court as Timothy Hauschultz attorney, along with the state, argued for Judge Geraldine Dietz to reconsider her previous decision to reject a plea deal.
I think the plea offer is the appropriate way for this case to be resolved prior to trial.
Everything about this deal was negotiated between the parties over several years.
Under the plea deal, Hauschultz would have pleaded to 2 counts being party to child abuse, intentionally causing harm. 6 other counts, including felony murder and intentionally contributing to the delinquency of a child causing death, would have been dismissed.
I rejected the plea agreement on the basis that it was not in the public's interest, not because I felt that I know what I'm going to sentence him to if he's convicted of A, B, or C.
The defense, with no objection from the state, filed a motion requesting the judge recuse herself from the case. She denied that motion, only to be presented with another defense motion to stay or delay the trial, to allow both sides to appeal her ruling with regard to the plea deal denial, as well as her refusal to recuse herself. The state, after consulting with the victim, supporting the stay motion, based on what the district attorney called traumatic testimony by citizen witnesses that would come during the trial.
Our concern is making sure that this is a one-time thing where they would have to testify and go through that trauma and significant issues that come around with that. So that is why we do not have an objection to staying it and allowing these issues to be resolved so that they are resolved.
While the judge initially denied the motion to delay the trial,
And I appreciate that this is very difficult for everybody. I don't believe, though, that delaying it any further is going to make it any easier. I think this matter has been so delayed that dragging it out further may only make the trauma worse.
after meeting with both parties privately, the judge said information was provided that led her to reconsider her decision to stay the trial, which would allow the defense to ask the state appeals court to review the denial of the plea deal and Dietz's decision to not recuse herself. The judge warned her ruling will delay this case for an undetermined amount of time. A scheduling conference is on the calendar for next week. Reporting in Manitowoc, Emily Matesic, Fox 11 News.